Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to try something new. It's time for me to do a retwist. I've actually waited very patiently for this, and this is how my hair is looking. I actually just washed my hair, and for this retwist, I want to do rope twist, but with the extension because my hair is kind of short. So when I do the twist, it'll be extra short. So for these extensions, as opposed to the Marley hair, I want to do the spring twist hair because I've been seeing a whole lot of spring twist and a mini twist on TikTok and things like that. I'm like, this is really cute, but I can't do it because I have locks. But I'm like, maybe I can finesse it with the spring twist hair. So I want to try that today and see how that goes. So the hair that I'm going to be using is the Expression Spring Afro Twist 24 inches 3X. It looks like this. And I'm going to be using the one in the color 2T1B/425. It's like the black burgundy to match the color of my actual hair because I want it to look, you know, as natural as possible. And as you guys know, I like to count because I know how much locks I have. So I have 60 locks. With the spring twist, that's going to be 30 twists. And these, from what I can see here, so each one of these little things is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. So that's like 40-ish total. And I need 30. So I should be good in terms of running out of hair because I don't want to run out of hair. No one wants to do that, right? So this is how the hair looks. I'm going to take it out and part my hair and start the process, see how it goes. Hopefully it comes out looking okay, but we'll see. So I want to show you how the hair is looking out of the pack. So this is the hair straight out the pack. And it pretty much looks like this. And you can see how the ends have like that curliness to it. So I don't think I'm going to need a rubber band for the end of the twist. And, you know, it's pretty long. Pretty long. So, yeah, like I said, I don't think I'm going to need rubber bands for the end of the twist. And for my twist, I'm only going to be using oil because, like I told you guys before, I want to do oil only retwist with this set to just, you know, just so it's easier and better for me because I like how the oil only retwist looks. So I am pretty much almost done with the hair. This is how it's looking. It's giving more of a passion twist vibe as opposed to the mini twist that I had in mind, but that's okay. I'm still feeling it. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing it and my process basically. Like I said, I'm going to be doing the rope twist with my locks. I'm going to be adding the hair towards the end of it. So throughout most of my hair, I pretty much have been using one of the pieces and I split it into two so that it's not too bulky as I'm going down. But the two pieces up here are pretty thick, so I'm going to be using 3. So I'm going to take this one piece, split into 2, and then I'm going to take another piece and I'm going to use the one from that piece. So it'll be 3 strands in total. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so the full strand is pretty much like this. So this is one long strand. So this strand itself, I'm going to split this one into 2. So I'm going to use this thicker piece here. And then the other one, I'm going to take this one and I'm going to also split this one into 2 so that I have 3 in total. And the reason, like I said, that I'm going to do 3 is because the front of my hair, the locks are on the thicker side and I want it to be as seamless as I can. Now, I'm not a professional, okay? So, like, some pieces are kind of like, but these ones are, like, really thick. You know what I mean? Like, significantly thick. So, just to kind of, like, help and add on to that, that's why I'm doing 3 pieces. But for most of the pieces in the back, it was just 1 piece split into 2, which was 2 pieces in total. So, for my actual lock itself, like I told you guys already, I'm only going to be using oil for my retwist. So that's what I've been doing. So my oil here. And as you guys know, this is my Africa's Best Herbal Oil. Like, I've been using this since a long time. Too long of a time, really. So I'm just going to take the hair and just retwist like I normally would. So I do my retwist clockwise. So I do the clockwise and I only retwist at the root. I don't do the whole body of my lock. So how I do my rope twist, once I finish doing my clockwise, then I twist it the opposite way. So I'm going to go like that. That way I know that it's going to stay. So as I'm going down and I get to the part that's a little bit thick right here, I go like about, not really halfway, a little bit less than halfway. And then I'm going to take one of the pieces and I'm just going to add it to the twist and just keep twisting down. That is pretty much all that I'm doing. And then right before my hair ends, I'm going to add one more piece. As my hair is getting thicker, I'm also trying to add more pieces of the kinky hair so that it also bulks up, so that it can cover and keep being thick as I'm going down. So now I think I'm pretty much done where my hair is. So at the very end of my hair, now I'm going to add the third piece. And when I'm adding, I try to make it as even as I possibly can, of course. So now I'm adding the third one. And I just keep twisting it down. At first I tried to do the twirling thing, but child, my hands hurt. So I just twist like this and I just keep it going down as best as I can, because I want it to be like, I don't want for you to be able to tell where my actual locks end, because clearly it's not my hair, but at the same time, like, let's not make it be a little bit, you know, too obvious, right? So I just pretty much just keep twisting down, and then when it gets to the end, then like the hair itself just pretty much thins out. So that's pretty much it. So here you could see that this one is much longer than this one. And in this case, I do borrow strands because, you know, it's not like I'm going to need this for anything else. So I just borrow from the other side because I want them to be even. And then I keep making my way down with that. Like I was saying earlier, like when you get to the end, it pretty much just thins out like this. So from this, I just keep it going until it ends. And then I'm just holding on this so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then when it ends, like I'm not gonna try to cross over like these really, really thin pieces, because what's the point of that, right? So I just take it and I twirl it around my fingers like I would if I were doing like a twist on my regular hair. And then that's pretty much it. And it just ends up looking like this. So that's pretty much how I've been doing all of these other pieces right here. This is pretty much how it is, and these are the tips. So the very last step that I'm going to do is I'm going to put some mousse on the roots so that it could just, you know, stay and last, because that's the part I haven't done yet. I'm going to take my mousse here and just and don't be stingy, okay? So this is pretty much how it's looking once the mousse has dried out. I really like how this came out. I wanted to try something different with my locks that I haven't really tried before. And I haven't really seen anyone do the lock extensions with this type of hair. I've seen it with the Marley hair, but I haven't seen it with the Afro kinky twist type hair. And I really like how this is coming out. It's giving very much passion twist, and I really, really like that. So this is how it's looking. Let me show you guys one more time. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.